Discover the power of Reddit for boosting your digital presence. Today, we're diving into an incredible tool that has revolutionized the way marketers engage on Reddit. Make sure to click the link in the description to get first-hand experience of this fantastic tool. Reddit, known for its vibrant communities and extensive reach, has seen a whopping 400% increase in traffic, making it an essential platform for digital marketing. The tool we are exploring today harnesses this traffic by enhancing engagement through AI-powered capabilities. First off, the tool offers advanced search options that allow users to filter through Reddit's vast discussions by relevance and time. This makes it incredibly easy to identify the most impactful conversations where you can engage effectively. Once you've found the right threads, the AI-enhanced replies feature comes into play. This functionality enables you to generate relevant, high-quality responses to Reddit discussions, ensuring your interactions are not only frequent but also meaningful. Moreover, this tool doesn't just help with engagement, it's also a powerhouse for driving traffic. By strategically commenting on threads, you can direct audiences to your websites, affiliate offers, or services, thereby significantly boosting your online visibility. The efficiency doesn't stop there. With AI-powered management of posts, creating unique angles and compelling calls to action has never been simpler. This means you can maintain a strong, consistent presence across multiple Reddit threads simultaneously, maximizing your engagement and exposure. Don't miss out on harnessing the full potential of Reddit for your marketing efforts. Click the link in the description to explore this tool and start enhancing your digital strategy on one of the most influential platforms online. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this overview and found it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember to click the link in the description to learn more about this transformative tool. Catch you in the next video.